Hukum sir is my tutor. He has taught me how to drive a piston bully. He has given some good tips. The engine is Mercedes. So friends, right now I'm going to learn how to drive a piston bully. This is Mr. Hukum Singh. He is my instructor today. So he is teaching me how to drive this beast machine. You can see right now he is telling that there is a knob there that is used for increasing the RPM of the vehicle. So usually you keep it in 1300 RPMs when there is no load, and if there is load in the vehicle then you have to increase it to 1800 RPMs. So right now you can see there is a 1300 RPM. He says that the piston bully is a very sensitive machine, and that's the handbrake there. That is what we have to release before starting the vehicle. And on the steering you have this two arrow marks, that is the forward and the backward, and the knob which rotates, that is the potential, or it's called as the accelerator of this particular machine. So if you want to move forward, you have to press the green button with the arrow forward once, and then you start rotating the potential, so it starts moving forwards. So he says whenever you are going to stop the vehicle, the first and the foremost thing what you have to do is to pull the handbrake. That is how you will be safe. So now he has taught me the basics of how to drive this vehicle. Now let me drive and see how it is. Releasing handbrake, forward gear, initializing potential.
इसमें एक हाथ फ्री रखना है.
Potential initialized, vehicle moving.
ये अपन फास्ट राइस पे खींचते हैं, जो कि समुद्र है, जमा हुआ समुद्र है. यही है, कुदरत है. यहाँ समर में सीप रहता है, अभी अपन गाड़ियाँ लेके घूम रहे हैं. तो ये कुदरत है, प्रकृति है.
This is a frozen ocean. This is called Indian Ocean. Actually, it is called Southern Ocean here. It's frozen now, but during winter, it's completely frozen. You can see ice is present everywhere. But during summer, it is a proper sea. That is the north. Okay, घुमाता हूँ. This is the east. The island in front of us is called Fisher Island. Hukum sir has gone several times to that island during scientific research. He is Hukum sir. And that one there you see is the shelf, which is straight ahead of us. That is where we have our airport. No progress. Now this is what you are seeing is Larseman Hills. There you can see Bharati Research Station. This is India's third research station here. That is called Bharati Indian Research Station. Today Hukum sir is my tutor. He
has taught me how to drive a piston bully. He has given some good tips.
Piston bully from German machine.
Yeah, piston bully from a German machine. The engine is Mercedes. He is one of our efficient logistic person here at Antarctica. Yes. See, this is Hukum sir. He is our teacher today. So as we see, climate is very good today. The temperature is minus 20 degrees outside.
Wind zero.
Wind is almost zero. We are approaching our station. There you see that is the Garsamen Hills.
अब यहाँ जो अपन चल रहे हैं ये सेंसिटिव है क्योंकि लास्ट रिज है, यहाँ रुकना नहीं चाहिए, यहाँ सीधा ही एकदम सीधा, यहाँ गाड़ी को ज्यादा घुमाना भी नहीं चाहिए और सीधा एकदम गाड़ी। जब अपन अभी सी का रिज है ये ज्यादा सेंसिटिव है।
This is the sensitive area of the sea because this is the place where the sea and the mountain meets each other. So it's always better that we cross it very fast.
Hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned for the next episode of Riding Piston Bully at Antarctica. Cheers and peace.